I'm Nathan Oliver Kua. I am going to do a science experiment. Materials needed: oil, plastic bottles, water, plastic cups, funnel, food color, spoon, and effervescent tablet. Put the oil in the plastic bottle. Use a funnel. Put water in the cup. Mix the food color in the water. Blue, stir, red, stir, yellow, stir, green, stir, let's put the water with food color in the plastic bottle with oil. Let's wait the water to settle in the bottom. Put the effervescent tablet in the plastic bottle with oil and water. The bubbles go up and down like lava. As you can see, the water didn't mix with the oil. The water stayed at the bottom because the water is more dense than oil. And the effervescent tablet contains sodium bicarbonate and citric acid. That's why when we mix it with water, it reacts with each other and produces a bubbling carbon dioxide gas.